how can you add in rolling dips? And I guess perhaps for those of you who are not familiar with rolling dips, maybe Matt, you can give us a quick explanation as to what they are and why you use them.
Yep. So
put you on the spot,
actually, no, it's a good one. It actually goes right in line with the mitigating risk of these sloped roads. So the problem being that you've got this channel that forms in your road, and it's just going to go down the road for forever until you get lucky and it leaves the road surface. So rolling dips are going to be, usually if you're doing this, you're running with a fairly low speed road. So I'm going to go with a small K value here. We'll put that there. I'm going to put this here. And again, we'll go with that small K value. So if my water hits here, runs down my road, we've got this grade reversal right here where, well, it's not going to go uphill. It's going to go off to the side and be eliminated. And here we might not, if we're using rolling dips, instead we might get rid of the pipe and yeah, just let that, oops, where was I? Yeah, so we might get rid of our pipe there, and so water hits here. It's not going to go any further. The water's not going to go uphill. It's going to go off to the side. So that's where you'll use your rolling dips, and yeah, it really is just a matter of tweaking the alignment to have a grade reversal in it. And when you're using that, you'll want to be cognizant of where you're actually putting them, because, well, if that happens to be a spot with some sensitive terrain here that can't have any additional water added to it, you probably should put your rolling dip somewhere else.